So I don't know what I'm dancing about there. I guess it's warming up here in Michigan. I'll be able to start going outside again. It's not going to be below 32, I guess, again. So this is the Allure Beauty Box. This is new to me. I paid $55 for the 3 months because I got a discounted price, which I'll give you a link so you can get a discounted price in the description. This is the pamphlet that tells about the products that are in here. So I'm going to go ahead and use this as a guide. And this right here, I'm not sure what this QR code is, so let's just continue and see what I got in the box. I think it's typically 5 items. So this first item is the Albapiedmont Aromatic Spray Serum. And it says it's good for indoor heat and cold temperatures, and you spray it onto your skin. It's a face mist. Feels slightly cool going on, and it's packed with natural hydrators like rose water, avocado oil, and sunflower seed oil. You shake the bottle 3 times. You'll see the 2 phases blend together, and then you spray it to your face. This is a $45 product, 120 milliliters, and you can buy it on Amazon, and you can get 10% off if you enter the code DALBALOVER, and I will put that in the description below. All right, so the next item is Tula Skincare Facial Cleanser. And this one will help soothe and soften dry spots with moisturizers like glycerin and safflower seed oil. And what you do is just put a little bit over under your damp skin, and it'll whisk away makeup, excess oil, and grime. It has a nice scent, and the water gives it a little foam. This does retail $34. This is a 6.7 ounce. This can be purchased at Tula.com. If you enter Allure, ALLURE 15 at checkout, you will get 15% off of your order. All right, so the next one is the mascara. This is YSL Beauty Lash Clash Extreme Volume Mascara. This mascara is secret for bringing on the drama in the combined forces of its formula, its volume building, lengthening. This is a jet black. And its oversized yet easy to maneuver wand. The duo creates inflated dark lashes that look soft and fluffy, not spidery yet ultra bold. You can do 2 to 3 coats, which seems to be the sweet spot. If you pile on more, you get clump. Easily remove it by gently pinching the lashes between 2 fingers. Now, that doesn't sound good. Okay, so it says it's $29 for a 0.3 ounce, and you can purchase it at YSLBeautyUS.com. And this right here, though, is actually a deluxe sample. This is not the 0.3 ounce. All right, so this next one is the Beauty Bakerie Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette. And let's see, this one says that the highlighting palette is a 2-time Allure Best of Beauty Award winner. It has a collection of 4 glimmering, versatile powder highlighters. There's a pink, champagne, bronze, and gold that add luminosity wherever you swipe it on, and it's gorgeous on all skin types. Just put it on with a fluffy brush, sweep any shade along your cheekbone, mix it with your blush filler for a glowing skin. Or super pretty as an eyeshadow, which I was going to say as well. And this retails $38. You can buy it at beautybakerie.com. You can enter Allure 20 at checkout to get 20% off of your order. Alrighty, so the next one is the Sephora Collection Nourishing Moisturizer with Prebiotics. Obviously a deluxe sample. It's like a whipped cream, yet it's airy and totally indulgent. This moisturizer is serious enough to soothe winter-weary skin, but somehow manages to feel light going on. The fragrance-free formula has a pretty dewy finish and botanical oils like avocado, sunflower, and more to soften skin on the spot. It does retail for $18 for the full size of 1.69 ounces. This, although, is just a deluxe sample of 0.67 fluid ounces and no discount code. Alrighty, so the last item is a Sweet Chef Beet plus Vitamin A Fresh Pressed Sheet Mask. This is by the K-Beauty brand Glow Recipe. It's Sweet Chef is all about products for fine-tuning your skincare routine. The sheet mask mix of beet and retinol helps smooth and soften skin and refine pores so you're ready for parties, selfies, and more. You just apply the skin to your face, which clean and dry, and it'll give it a glow in only 20 minutes, and then you peel and pat off the remaining serum, and you rinse following with your Sephora moisturizer. This product does retail $3.50, and you can buy it at sweetchefskincare.com. And if you would like to get 15% off of a $35 or more purchase, the code is Allure SC at checkout. The overall retail value is $120.50 plus the deluxe mascara and Sephora face moisturizer, because the D. Albapiedmont serum spray is $45, Tula facial cleanser is $34, Beauty Bakerie Highlight palette is $38, and the K-Beauty Glow Recipe sheet mask is $3.50. So I'm pleased overall. Like I said, for 3 boxes, it was $55, and this is my second box, so not a bad deal at all. All the discounts that I mentioned regarding each individual product, I will put in the description below. Plus, I'll put an additional discount if you would like to check out Sephora and get a discount off your box as well. And everything will be listed in the description below.